So when designing a passive home, the first thing you have to do is identify your thermal barrier. Sydney being a more moderate climate, we can get away with having the external wrap as our airtight barrier, then having our insulation within that. As opposed to colder climates, which have to have their external moisture barrier, they generally have their point of insulation and then inside have their airtight barrier, which ultimately leads to much more affordable construction costs for our Sydney clients.
Probably the next biggest thing that separates a standard house from a passive house is your thermal bridges. Basically highways or easy points of transfer for hot and cold from outside to inside the house. The biggest thermal bridge commonly across any house is going to be the windows.
The windows that we have in Australia, there's zero benefit to it. We look at basically your heating and your cooling. Everything basically goes through your windows. So benefits of actually having proper UPVC windows, we can have an 87% reduction in your heating and cooling, basically just straight through your windows.